Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Reid. I am Shipyard Construction Foreman here at the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum, and I'd like to give an update on some of the details that are being performed here on the Winnie Estelle project. So to begin with, I want to point out this chine log here that has been completely installed. It's up in the stem assembly. It's been let into the inner stem. You can see inside of that there is a knee that's connecting the inner stem with the main part of the keel. Additionally, we've managed to install the skeg, which is attached to the bottom of the inner keel, and it runs the full length of the vessel. Additionally, I can point out the rabbet area that is completed, and this is where the pocket here accepts the planking, and it gets attached both in this pocket and up on the chine log. And now here we are in midship inside the vessel, below decks. I'm sitting on a timber here that we refer to as one of the cheek pieces. It's going to be attached here to the side of the keel, and it basically provides extra back rabbet for the planking to land on as it comes into the keel. You can see the holes have been drilled, pre-drilled here, and we're going to be attaching this member with some 3/4 inch bronze rod stock. We've made up the bolts here ourselves in the corn crib where we have a threading machine. This timber will actually span across what is the scarf joint in the inner keel, and so it'll strengthen it right at this area. Here we are at the stern assembly of Winnie Estelle, and you can see lots of various parts coming together. There's a floor timber furthest forward that goes athwartship. You can see on top of the keel. This is where the propeller shaft will come out into the boat. These timbers through here are known as the shaft alley, and as they exit through the stern post, you can see the hole that's been drilled for the shaft alley. Attached to the stern post up above is the horn timber, and eventually it'll be getting some cheeks put onto it, which will accept the planking and create a rabbet for the planking. There's another knee located on top of the keel that's connecting, stabilizing the stern post to the keel here that's through bolted down. It's a bit of a tricky drill because we have to go down through the side of the shaft alley, not go through it, but actually connect those timbers together. So here we are beside Winnie Estelle's hull, and I'd like to point out that the chine log has been 100% installed. So all the nibs have come together. The shape on the bottom of the timber is ready to accept all of the bottom planking. So with that, I'd like to invite you all to come down and see what's happening at the boatyard. Come visit us, and we'll see you next time.